Hello everyone watching the Newless channel, and in this video I will show you how you can record calls in Realme 8 Pro or Realme 8 Pro 5G. So before starting video, if you're first in my channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So to call records in Realme 8 Pro or Realme 8 Pro 5G, first of all you just need to go to call settings. So just open call settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.